how to sync your contacts to your Google account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. So if you want to sync and back up all your device and SIM contact to your Google account, then here's the real guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to sync all contacts to your Google account, simply go and open up the settings application from your phone, and from the settings you just need to find out the Google option. And once you get the Google from the list, go and tap on the Google, and inside this one you'll get to see the Gmail account that you have logged in with the device. Make sure the right Gmail account is selected, and once you see the Gmail account you'll get to see the all services. You just need to tap on all services, and you just need to scroll down from this page, and you just need to find out the option called Google Contact Sync. You just need to go ahead and tap on this. You'll get to see under the backup and restore, so go ahead and tap on Google Contact Sync. You'll get to see the contact sync is turned off. So for the status, go ahead and tap on these and make sure to enable the automatically sync contact option, and you'll get to see this has started backing up all the contacts to the Google account. And once you're done with the sync, you just need to get back from here. There's another option, also sync device contacts. So if you have saved any contacts to a device, you have to upload or sync all those contacts as well. You just need to go ahead and enable this and select the Gmail account from the list, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. And now all the contact has been synced with their Google account. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.